guys, we are going to be making some pecan brittle. So what I've got going here is a half cup of water, a cup of light white corn syrup, and 2 cups of sugar. We've got 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 4 tablespoons actually of butter. And I'm just going to cook this until it gets to the soft ball stage. I do have a candy thermometer in here that also is marked for that. So I'm not going to make you watch me stir this around while it heats. But once I get it to that stage, I'll be putting in a cup and a half of pecans. Alright, I'll be back soon. Okay guys, you can see we've hit the soft ball stage, so I'm going to go ahead and add the nuts. At this point, I'm going to be stirring constantly till we get up to the hard crack stage. Okay, so we're just stirring. I just wanted to show you the texture, how it's changing. It's cooking down those pecans. And guys, if you don't have a candy thermometer, what I'll do is in the show more box below, I'll put the recipe and I will put the degrees that it needs to be at, just in case, or I'll let you know if it's the soft ball point or the hard crack. There are ways you can use a bowl of water to test that, so you'll be able to Google that if you don't have the thermometer. But I just wanted to kind of show you where we're at right now. We still have a ways to go. This usually takes 15 or 20 minutes to get its heat built back up, and then it escalate on to the hard crack. I won't make you watch me stir, basically. I'll bring you back when we're adding in the last of the dry ingredients. And again, that's going to be a half a teaspoon of salt. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. And 2.5 teaspoons of the baking soda. So I'll see you in a bit. Sorry guys, I failed to turn on the record button when I put the in the baking soda. So I wanted you to see what it looked like though, how it foamed up, and how important it is that it gets to that hard crack stage before you put that in, because it's necessary to get it to foam up. Foaming up is what's going to help make it a melt in your mouth brittle. One thing I did want to point out to you guys, if you can see, I'm going to try to get this really close. If you can see all those little holes, that's why it's important to get that temperature up there before you put in the baking soda, because the baking soda is what caused that. So when you're biting down, it's not just a hard, crunchy, stick to your teeth piece of candy. It just melts in your mouth. It is so delicious. Okay guys, so I peeled away the aluminum foil and I've left it in the pan. Couple of different things you can do. If you want to break off large chunks and slide in a Ziploc bag and then break it up within the bag, you can do that. Or you can just lift it up here in the pan. Use a butter knife or something, a spoon, you know, and just start tapping it. It's going to be loud, so I apologize now. There you go. So probably what I'm going to do is take my large pieces, go ahead and slide them in the bag and finish busting it up there. That way all these little crumbles will just be contained within the bag. But anyway, this tastes really fantastic, and I hope you guys will give it a try. You can use peanuts, of course. I just think that when you cook it down and you use pecans, the flavor is so much better. I think it's 100% better. So I hope you guys give it a try. Have a great week this week, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.